My dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segments, in connection with the tense series, we have very vividly discussed about the importance of tense and its relationship with different aspects. We have also focused on the ideas in connection with the relationship in between the tense and time. We have also discussed that tense is a very important element of English grammar. Without tense, it is not possible on the part of English learner to speak and write a sentence. It may be simple sentence, it may be complex sentence, it may be compound sentence, it may be active voice or passive voice. In the case of transformation of sentences, side by side synthesis of sentences, we take the help of tense. It is the basic or root or fundamental of English grammar. The scope of simple present is very larger. It cannot be completed in one class. Therefore, I have divided it into two sections. This is section 1 and another section will be taught to you in the subsequent segment. The topic of our discussion today, use of simple present. Point 1. Simple present is also called present indefinite. So what is simple present? That is present indefinite. Remember, why do we call it a present indefinite? Yes, it is because it doesn't express the exact time of an action. This is important. It is the most frequently used tense because simple present or present indefinite is frequently used at the time of our day-to-day speaking and writing, and therefore it is very essential on the part of the students to learn the use of simple present very carefully. Okay, in another sense, its scope or area of application is larger than present progressive or present perfect or present perfect progressive or any aspects of past and future. Okay, therefore simple present is the most frequently used tense. Okay, it is used to express any universal or general truth, scientific truth, present habit or daily routine activities, what we habitually perform in our day-to-day life. That sort of action is expressed through simple present. Present states means present condition of any person or anything. Okay, permanent actions. Permanent actions means the action which happens permanently. Fixed public timetable. Naturally, whenever public timetable which has been fixed and usually it is not changed, in that case we use simple present. Stative verbs. Stative verbs means the verb which is based on our five sense organs, our mental activities. Okay, in that case we use stative verbs, which are not used in a progressive form. They are used in a simple present. Running commentary. When at the time of expressing running commentary, we take the help of both simple present and present progressive. Simple present is used for instant action, but present progressive is used in a continuous action. It will be discussed later on. Dramatic situation. Whenever we want to express any dramatic situation, in that case also we take the help of simple present. Recipes. Recipes means the step-by-step process of performing or doing anything. Fixed calendar actions. In future, it means in our calendar we have already fixed what to do. Therefore, in order to perform that fixed calendar action, we also take the help of simple present. Fixed scheduled events in future. It means the events which have been fixed by any office or any institution to perform in future. In that case also we use simple present. Therefore the area of use of simple present is larger than that of other aspects. Point 2, structure of present indefinite, right or rights. Through this verb, we can easily know the structure of simple present. Okay, and here we have three persons. This is first person, second person, and third person. And here numbers, singular number and plural number. Subject makes a close relationship with the verb. That is what we call concord or subject verb agreement. And from that point of view, it is very natural to know about the subject. It may be noun or it may be pronoun. As we know, all the nouns are used in third person, singular or plural number. Okay, but all the pronouns are used in different persons and numbers. How? I write. This is a first person singular number. That's why I write. Again, we write. Second person singular number. You write. And here second person plural. You write. Okay. But whenever the third person singular number is there, it may be noun or pronoun. In that case, we usually take the help of s or es or ies with the verb form. Okay, this is the idea that should be carefully remembered. But here they write. This is the structure of simple present tense. Okay, now come to the third point. Here we find when the subject of the verb is in third person. What I have already discussed. Whenever the subject of the verb is in third person, singular number, in a simple present case, the verb of simple present takes s or es or ies at its end. Okay, it should be carefully remembered. How? The verb which ends in y naturally ends in y preceded by a consonant takes ies. Whenever any verb ends in y but it is preceded by a consonant, in that case y is dropped and ies is used. Again, if there is a vowel, then before y hyphen s is used as a suffix. Okay, this is the idea. Let's see any example. Anurag enjoys. You see here before y here we find vowel. Therefore here y is not dropped. S is used as a suffix. Anurag enjoys playing basketball every afternoon. The principal teaches. You see, teach verb takes es because the principal is a third person singular number. That's why the verb takes es as a suffix. The principal teaches the students English. Child sometimes cries. Before y there is r, therefore y is dropped, ies is used as a suffix. Cries for food. Ask, carries, luggage. Here the same idea. Carry r y. Okay, because r is here, therefore y is dropped and suffix ies is used. These are the ideas in connection with how we use suffix s or es or ies whenever the subject of the verb is in third person singular number in the case of simple present tense. Point 4. Many students commit mistake in this connection. Therefore, this point should be carefully remembered. In the case of negative and interrogative sentences of simple present, do or does is used as an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb does is used with only third person singular number. In other cases, we use do, but only in the case of third person subject, in the third person singular number, definitely we use does and omit or drop suffix s or es or ies. Okay? Yes. Now come to examples. A for affirmative, they enjoy picnic in winter. They is a third person plural number. In negative, as they is the subject, they don't enjoy picnic in winter. But in interrogative sentence, do is generally used before the subject in interrogative or question sentences. Okay, do they enjoy picnic in winter? In interrogative cum negative sentence, don't they not has been used in contracted form. Don't they enjoy picnic in winter? Or do they not is here in full form. Do they not enjoy picnic in winter? Generally in a written English we can use both the ways of interrogative cum negative, but generally in spoken English, don't they enjoy picnic in winter? This structure is more used, okay, in order to express our feelings smartly. Understood? Yes. Now come next idea. Amit behaves everybody politely, as Amit is third person singular number and verb behave has taken s suffix, and therefore Amit doesn't behave anybody politely. This is negative sentence. In interrogative, does Amit behave anybody politely? As does is there, s is dropped. In interrogative cum negative, doesn't Amit behave anybody politely? Everybody has been converted into anybody, okay, in the negative and interrogative sentences. Or does Amit not behave anybody politely? Both are correct and accepted. This structure is more used in spoken English, but in written English we accept both the ways. Point 5, we have already discussed that there is a very good relationship in between tense and time. Adverbs and adverbials are very necessary to indicate time. Students or the learners can easily know the tenses of a verb because they play as hints or clues in order to use the suitable verb form, and it also beautify or ornament our language. Therefore, the more we know the adverbs and adverbials of time, the more we can very beautifully express our feelings in either in writing or in speaking. Okay, yes. Next come here. Therefore, adverbs and adverbials of time or frequency like often, very often, always, never, ever, hardly, scarcely, rarely, seldom, frequently, sometimes, many times, generally, normally, usually, naturally, habitually, occasionally, daily, every morning, every day, every week, every fortnight, every month, every season, every year, every winter, every Sunday, every meal, once in a week, twice in a year, as a rule, and so on. These are very beautiful adverbs and adverbials which are frequently used at the time of our spoken and written English. They also play hints, okay, as I have already told you, hints or clues to determine simple present. Therefore, students are advised to remember these adverbs and adverbials Okay, some examples. Every winter, thousands of migratory birds visit Chilica. Here, every winter is the adverbial of time. Thousands of migratory birds visit Chilica. Visit is the verb form, and every winter is used to modify the verb visit. We often reach school in time. Often, this is adverb, and reach is here the verb. My grandfather takes medicine after every meal. Here, takes is the verb, and after every meal is the adverbial. My mother never is the adverb. Hearts is the verb. Anybody's heart. This is a good nature of my mother. Point 6. Use of simple present. How usually we use simple present in our spoken and written English. Okay, let's see. Point 1. General or universal or natural truths or facts. It means any action which is based on general truth or universal truth, natural truth, and fact with the truth. Simple present is generally used. Therefore, it is a vast area in which we use simple present. Generally, river rises in a mountain and falls in a ocean. As a river is singular, rises and falls in a ocean. This is a very natural or universal or general idea. Okay, this is the nature of a river. Man takes birth one day and dies one day. This is also based on natural or universal matter. Okay, no man is immortal. We have to leave this world one day. Love is the reward of love. This is fact, and this is also general and universal truth, which is based on Sir Isaac Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Morning shows the day. This is a proverb. Morning shows the day. Yes, our early actions decides what we are going to perform in future. Necessity is the mother of invention. This is also naturally true. They are closely related. All our inventions are closely related to necessity. Okay, scientific truth. Whenever general truth is the mother, scientific truth is the daughter of general truth. Whenever science proved something true, then that is what we call scientific truth. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is proved by science. Therefore, it is scientific truth. Light moves faster than sound. This is scientifically proved. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law, what I have already told. If we pour oil on water, it floats. It's very natural because because oil spreads on water and it starts floating. In this way, all the scientific truths are expressed with the help of simple present. Yes, nota bene. Simple present tense is frequently used to express many social sciences like economics, political science, psychology, sociology, geography, natural sciences like physics, chemistry, astronomy, biology, botany, zoology, genetics, and so on. All these sciences are definitely expressed with the help of simple present because they are based on truth. The next idea, present habits or actions related to daily life. In order to express present habitual action, we take the help of simple present. Examples: my mother usually gets up early and goes to bed late. It expresses my mother's present habitual action. We normally go to sea beach every Sunday afternoon. This is our present habitual action. I generally have my breakfast with my parents. This is the present habitual action of the speaker. The next idea: present states or condition. In this case also, we take the help of simple present. Today's weather is stormy. Here is indicates the present state or condition of today's weather. They are in problem. They are in problem. It indicates that they are not in good condition. The condition of roads and drains of our colony is not good. This is the present condition of the drains and roads of our colony. My dear friends, with this I conclude today's segment. The subsequent segment of Unit 3 will be discussed in Unit 4. Hope you must have enjoyed this class. If you enjoy, then like it and share it. My purpose is that these valuable ideas should be spread as far as possible so that many students can be benefited and they can able enough in speaking and writing English freely. Give your comments so that it will be helpful me in preparing the videos for your benefits. Go through the video again and again from the beginning to the end. Take it down in your notebooks and it is the most important factor is here. It is should be applied in your day-to-day speaking and writing. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next segment. Till then, goodbye.